Miracle Shadow Quiz.
Shadow. Guess what time it is? It's time for the Miracle Shadow Quiz. I'm your host, Takashi Otama. Let's play. Here's how it works. We'll show you a shape, and you have to guess what shadow it will make. Let's get started. Question 1. Here comes the first one. What shape is this?
It's a duck.
Did you say a duck? Let's check. Shadow, open. Quack, quack. You got it right. Question 2. Next up, what do you think this shape will be?
A tree.
A tree? Let's see. Shadow, open. Woohoo! You nailed it again. Amazing. Question 3. Oh, this one's tricky. What could it be? Time's ticking, and it time's up. Let's reveal the answer. Shadow, open. Wow! That's surprising. You can mix and match paper to make all kinds of cool shadow crafts. Now I really want to try making one. Let's do it together.
Craft time. Step 1. Grab a piece of A4 paper and fold it in half. See that crease? Cut along the line with your scissors. Step 2. Draw and cut. Fold it the long way. Now, on one side, draw a big hand shape. Make sure the fold is on the right side. Then cut it out carefully. Step 3. Tardier moment. Open it up. Wow! It's a cute little rabbit. If it rips a little, no worries, just use tape to fix it. Step 4. Transform it. Fold another piece of paper and this time cut it into a tree shape. Open it up. Tardier, a tree. Step 5. Combine. Now stack your rabbit and tree together. Slide the cuts so they join like a puzzle. Tape the middle to keep it steady. Step 6. Add the stick. Attach chopsticks at the bottom with tape, leaving space to hold it. This will make your shadow puppet easy to move. The big reveal. Now shine a flashlight on your puppet, and wow! Look at that shadow magic. Your rabbit can even transform into a tree. Cool! Thanks for joining the Miracle Shadow Quiz. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome art adventures. See you next time.